Carbon monoxide is called the silent killer. You can't see it, smell it, or taste it. The Dewlora 4-in-1 CO detector claims to detect dangerous gases before they become deadly. But does it actually protect your home, or is it just clever marketing? Let's break it down. So the Dewlora 4-in-1 detector is designed to monitor carbon monoxide, gas leaks, temperature, and humidity in real time using built-in sensors. It also displays live readings and triggers a loud alarm if dangerous levels are detected, aiming to warn homeowners early before exposure becomes severe. There are a few reasons devices like this can help. Carbon monoxide detectors are widely recommended for home safety because the gas is otherwise impossible to detect without sensors. The Dewlora unit includes a digital display showing real-time gas levels, which can provide more information than simple alarm-only detectors. Multi-sensor monitors that check gas leaks and CO together can give broader household safety coverage, but there are also some caution points. Many reviews and claims about Dewlora come directly from the brand's own website, which means independent testing information is limited. Safety devices should ideally come from well-known certified brands, since inaccurate sensors or delayed alarms could be dangerous. Some low-cost multicast detectors online have reported false readings or reliability issues depending on sensor quality. So does the Dewlora 4-in-1 CO detector protect your home? It could provide basic monitoring and early warnings, but because it's a lesser-known brand with limited independent verification, it's best used alongside trusted, certified CO detectors from established manufacturers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.